Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Xfinity Wi-Fi box blinking orange. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there are a few things that you need to do here to probably fix this issue. First is you need to check for outages. So first, visit Xfinity's website or use their app to check if there are any known service outages in your area. If there is an outage, you may need to wait until it's actually resolved. Now, next you want to do is you want to restart your router. Now unplug the router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds to allow it to fully reset. Then plug it back in and wait a few minutes for the router to reboot and the lights should now stabilize. Now, next you want to do is you want to reset your router. Now if restarting the router doesn't fix the issue, locate the reset button on the router, use a paper clip or a similar object to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and wait for the router to restart, and this will restore the router to its factory settings. Now, just some side notes here, this will actually clear your custom settings that you've applied into your router. So you need to reset this up again, like for example, changing your Wi-Fi password. Next is you want to go ahead and check your power and connections. So make sure the router is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Now check all cables are securely connected to the router and modem. Inspect the splitter if you use one. For any damage or loose connections, ensure there are no visible signs of wear or damage on the cables or router itself. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.